Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Luda, aka Nitty Life, and today we're gonna do something fun. I'm so excited. I bought this tool on Amazon. No, not this tool. I bought this little guy. If you guys know my other videos, I have a knitting machine that I got on Amazon. Link will be down below. And pretty much all it does, it rows for you, so you don't have to row over and over for like 30 minutes to an hour. This will get the job done in maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I have a white yarn, so I'm gonna knit on my knitting machine 4 beanies in white, and then we're gonna go upstairs to my brother's apartment and his girlfriend, and we're gonna tie-dye those beanies. I'm so excited. Let's get started. So Eva ended up tie-dyeing a hat that I made and also her Vans. Sherry is gonna tie-dye 2 shirts and a scrunchie, and then Nick is going to tie-dye a hat that I made, and I'm gonna tie-dye 3 hats. So let's get started. Oh, hey there. That's right. I'm back at Michael's. And I ran out of this white yarn for the hats to tie-dye today. So we're gonna get more yarn and then we're gonna go upstairs and continue tie-dyeing. It's like 10 p.m. I don't know if I should be doing this right now, but let's do it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our yarn. For me, it's white. All the yarn will be listed down below in my description box. And we're going to make the first round, just kind of set it up. And then we're going to start drilling. Anyway, look what happened to me because I was so excited to get this extension. I already been knitting a couple hats. Like I made 4 hats yesterday, and this happened to me. The tension gauge has broken completely, and so what I've been doing is I've been putting it through this little square in here. I mean, it's been kind of working. So we're gonna add the attachment right here. I'm gonna hold on to this, and we're gonna start drilling.
Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
So I finished knitting the beanie. So all I gotta do now is, and we took it off, I'm gonna close the end by just pulling on this. And then I'm going to go on the inside. So pull it like this. But first, should I put like letters on it? That'd be kind of cute too. But maybe for this purpose, I'll just leave it plain, like blank. Or plain, I guess. So I tied the hat. I'm gonna go on the inside of the hat and pull it up. So it's like, it's gonna be double rim, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna close the other side. So we have 2 laces, one from the inside, one from the back. So this one's small hat, and it's gonna be for me because I like it shorter, like a fisherman hat, more than like the other hats I made. Pull that, close that in, like tie it, and then wave in the ends, and we're done with our first hat. So let's continue making 3 more hats, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done with all 4.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna
Much later.
If I did really down.
Just put them in the gas straw. Like they all die out. You can throw it in the water.
It seems like already light.
Oh yeah, it does come out.
Morning.
Yo, good morning, y'all.
So here is the finished product. I don't like it because, well, I don't like this one that I made. If you guys can see, it's pink and white. Exactly, Nolan. Yeah.
I get
So
it.
it's like it didn't turn out as dark as I wanted to. Like, even though we dyed it pretty well. And then the blue one is not too bad, but it like shrinked the hat, so you can't do a rim that much. Do you see it? What do you think about it, babe? How does it feel? Is it tight?
Yeah, I mean it's snugged pretty well. I actually kind of like it because it doesn't have to like wiggle at the top. There's not too much like that's left over, so I kind of do like it. It's not too bad. My expectation was really high, which I shouldn't have done. I should have kept it like pretty low.
Yeah.
The only reason is because like I thought the colors when we dyed or when you guys dyed them was gonna like pop out super hard,
Yeah.
but after like washing them and stuff, it like mellowed out and like it faded.
Yeah.
And then I also thought like there was gonna be like other colors too.
Yeah, not on that one. It's just different shades of blue.
Yeah, so it's not too bad. I mean, I kind of like it. I would wear it.
Nice.
I like beanies that are like this though.
Nice. So yeah, there you have it.
I know.
Here's the other
Trust
hat
me,
that
I don't like it either.
I haven't put it together. Obviously, you can see, but yeah, you see like the tie dye is not as strong. It's just really faded. And so yeah, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.